In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add store to GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have a fully added store section ready to start listing products, whether you're adding them one by one or importing a catalog in bulk. Start by opening your GoDaddy dashboard and heading into the site you want to edit. Look for the Edit Website button and click it. That launches the site editor, where you can make visual changes in real time. If you manage more than one site, take a second to confirm you're in the correct project before moving on. Inside the editor, you'll add a new section. Find the small plus icon that appears either in the sidebar or between existing sections on your page and click it to add a section. If you're deciding where it should live, think about your visitor's path. A dedicated shop page in your main navigation is usually the easiest to find, while a store section on the home page can be great for quick highlights. When the Add Section panel opens, use the search field and type Online. This filters the available options to the shopping-related choices. You're looking for the Online Store or Shop option. These sections are pre-built to include a product grid and the hooks your site needs for a cart and checkout, so you don't have to assemble those pieces manually. Select the Online Store option to add it. GoDaddy will place it for you, often creating a dedicated store page and adding it to your navigation. You can adjust the page title to match your brand voice. Something short and clear works best, and choose a layout that fits your product imagery. If you preview it in the editor, you should see a placeholder grid where your products will appear. With the store page added, you'll see options to start populating your catalog. You can add products manually or click Import Products. Choose what suits your situation. If you're launching with just a few items, adding products one at a time is straightforward. You'll enter a name, description, price, and upload photos, along with stock and variant details if needed. If you already have a list, importing is faster. Use the provided CSV template or match your file's columns to GoDaddy's fields. Common ones include product name, price, SKU, stock, category, and image URLs. After the import, review a few items to make sure descriptions, images, and prices look correct. That's all it takes to add a store to your GoDaddy website. With the page in place and your products added or imported, your storefront is ready for the next steps like styling, organizing categories, and configuring your checkout experience.